Namaste. My name is Rui Zimra. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak, why cannot we open our hearts? And this is here from Dr. Joe Dispenza. Because of our past. So negative experience in relationships, be it traumas, the people got hurt, and then these suppressed negative emotions from getting hurt have programmed the mind negatively. I think you can agree, no? And if we want to open our hearts, then automatically the negative thoughts from getting hurt surface and trigger the suppressed negative emotions. And we experience these traumas again, or the heart decides to close up so that we can't feel love. So my childhood was hell. I could not feel love. Then I did body and feelings-orientated therapy combined with meditation. These therapies and meditation I did when I was a devote of Bhagwan Osho. Additionally, I did Tantra to open up my heart even more. And these techniques opened up every heart from every devotee. So these techniques are working for most of all people. So just do it. No? Afterward, I had so great love so that I experienced God. So Dr. Joe Dispenza can prove that we can reverse these negative traumas by closing our hearts and be open to love again. Then we should feel a love that never demands anything, that is selfless. If we could, and nearly nobody can do so, imagine total love, then we would open our hearts and could love every time when we want, even under the worst circumstances, and we would radiate love. As I think this is not possible for most of all people. The old technical therapies is working for nearly everybody. After I have opened my heart to the Lord, I could repeat this experience even without any imaginations. Yes, then it's just a simple mechanic. If we have the Kundalini, we can raise our sex energy from the lower chakra to the heart and further. We can use for that, for instance, sounds, Qigong, second-hand method, and so on. And these spiritual techniques even work for a good degree without the Kundalini and are so much easier to learn than the method of Dr. Joe Dispenza. And I can prove that. For instance, go to a Dikya night from the Sufis, or go to the African church when a healer is conducting the worship of Jesus, and just sing and dance totally for Jesus. So more you surrender, so higher will that love, and it makes fun and joy. So, okay. Still, I think that the best method is to get rid from the traumas, to feel the traumas, or to make hypnosis to get rid of the traumas. And then you can start new. And just with imagine total love, I think this will not work for most of all people. And the spiritual techniques here, there exist so many spiritual techniques, it depends on the person, so then try them out. Thank you that I could speak to you, and bye.